Hi friend, welcome in another episode of Banknifty Trading Grow Like a Gardener. Time tested method, clear strategy, consistent result. I am talking about today how to trade Bank Nifty with this Bank Nifty Trading Pro 2.10 XL, where you have to enter the data from the any website. You can find the access of the Bank Nifty chart, and from a 15-minute chart, when you will enter the first 15-minute open, high, low, close, and 8-period exponential moving average, then guided by the philosophy of trading like gardener, where we try to stay flexible. We do not put any rigid plan. Instead, we have a different scenario, and different scenario gives us different conditions plan to trade. Like a gardener who can't afford to treat all of his plant in same manner, and they need to nurture different plant in different way. Similarly, everyday trading conditions you cannot approach with a rigid plan. You should have a flexibility in your approach. So when you enter the data here, I will show you exactly what to do, and then you will find that the trade for the day will automatically come, and your trading plan for the day will come over the second tab, that is the tab step 2. So you have to enter the data here, and you will find the different conditions 1, 2, 3, and details guideline, what to trade, how to trade, exact trading plan, entry and exit, everything. I will show you exactly how to do it. If you are very interested, then for you, I have written down a book, a small PDF book that will I call 60-minute expert guide to trade Bank Nifty Trading Pro 2.10, where I give all the necessary informations, chart example, how you can enter the data, how you will take the data. The link of this ebook is under the descriptions. You can go to the descriptions and you can download the ebook. It is completely free for you, the ebook, the guidelines, and then you can go through the ebook to find how this trade happen. um, this month we have a very good result so far. I am talking about January 2021, and so far we have several good win, and there were several losses also, but overall we have net to net 24,225 plus. And I am talking about in this episode how the trade on 18th June, that was the today's trade, how 18th January's trade pan out, how we get the conditions 3 and the sell trade eventually happen, and we have booked a 6,375 rupees or 255 point. With that, in January we are in net positive of 24,225. Now this is the result. In this ebook I have given the result, the 2020, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and the December also. And you can see that we have a very good positive. Yes, couple of months we had negative result, but net to net we have very good profit with this strategy. Now, one of the good point of this strategy is that once you will have this excel sheet, that is Bank Nifty Trading Pro, you can go back and audit the performance. There is complete clarity. The performance is purely auditable. You can go check. You just need to enter the data and you will find the trade. So for example, if you want to check what was the trade on the month of the July or on the month of the August, what you have to do is that you simply visit the chart sections and enter the data a couple of days, and you can check whether the performance was in line with not. I always encourage that you audit the performance. Now I will show you in today's trade, that is 18th of January, what you have to do, remember we take the data from tradingview.com, and the chart setting is 15 minute. It is a bank nifty chart, and remember the time setting should be UTC plus 530, and this is a one indicator, that is a 8 period exponential moving average. Now what you have to do, you have to just enter the first candle of the day, 15 minute open, high, low, close, and the 8 period exponential data. When you will place your cursor over here, you will get the data and you have to enter the data. Now once you enter the data over here, then it is clearly mentioned that step 2, check the plan. Whatever will be the plan for the day, and the best scenario, the best plan for the day to trade Bank Nifty will automatically appear here. Now let's see how it's happened today and what was the trade result. Okay, for that I have to enter the data of the first candle of the day. So whenever you will in live market, whenever you will find, you will just find this first candle at 9:30. Remember, we always trade at 9:30. So we need to work 9:30 to 9:35, 5 minutes of the day, and our job done. What we have to do at 9:30 to 9:35? We have to enter the data of the first candle. Let's see what's happened the trade. So this was the first candle, and I will enter now the data of the first candle. The open of the first candle was 32315.65, and the high was 32467, and the low was 3232155.10, and the close was 32313.75, and the 8 period exponential moving average was 32309.93. I have done. I entered the data, and that's what you have to do. Okay, now you need to move to the step 2. Now here is a point. It clearly mentioned that today is a conditions 3 years and check conditions 3 tab. But check here, what is written here, what is coming here. It says, hi, today you should wait. Go back to step 1 and input next 15-minute candle data, that is 9:30 to 9:45. So the condition is yes, and conditions 3, and we should go to visit the conditions 3 tab to get the plan. But before that, this is clearly visible that we need to wait and we need to enter the second candle data. That is the rare conditions. In conditions 3, it might happen sometimes, and in this field it is mentioned that applicable for conditions 3 only. Okay, so in this field we have to enter the second candle data also. Now this is the second candle data. What we have to enter? We have to enter the open, high, low, close of the second candle. What is the open of the second candle? It was 32312. Remember, it is only the case when we got the conditions 3, we have to enter the second candle data, or it's in the Excel instruct always what to do, and you should always go with the instructions of the Excel. Okay, I entered the open data, and the open data was 32312.25. The high was 39395.95, and the low was 32241. Okay, and the close was 32375.00. That's it. We probably are done for the day, and then we have to go to the conditions 3 tab, and in conditions 3, rest of the things it become very easy. What is the it says, yes, today you have a valid trade setup following the entry and exit plan. Clear cut. strategy, and it says that you should place a buy order at 32471. Okay, let's place a horizontal line to denote the buy order. Let's delete it. Okay, so I have taken a horizontal line and I will place it. Let's change it to 32471. 32471.10. Okay, and because it's a buy order, keep it a blue one, and that was your buy order. And it also says place a sell order at 32122. So you need to place another sell order, and you will change this order. Sorry. This order will be placed at 32212, 32101, 122, right? 122. Just yes. This was sorry. This was little bit lower. Yes. So around this will be your order. If I uh, if I change this setting, I made it color red, and to be exact, I will make it 32122. 32122. Yes. So that was our sale order. So as you can see, in this day, this buy order was not executed. The high of this candle was 32450, and your sale order was 470. Whereas your sale order was got triggered here. Once the sell order triggered, so this order start acting, the buy order, the pending order will start acting as a pending order, and it will act as a stop loss order. Now then, what is the exit plan? The exit plan, it says exit at 3:15 p.m. So what you have to do is that you have to hold the trade and you have to exit at 3 to 315, and your exit will be on 31,869, around this level. So if we go to the exit, our entry will be around 32122, and our exit will be at the close of the 315, that is 31,869. So our exact close was 31,867. With that, we have 25-point profit. As you can see, we have entered short here and we exited here, and it was a 250 point 55 point, sorry, and that is around 6,375. With that, this month, in the January, we have 24,225 points. This is the conditions 3 example. I believe that these should be one of your core trading strategy in Bank Nifty, and you should practice it, and this is very clear, time tested, proven trading strategy. Thank you so much. I will for your time. I appreciate and I value your time. I will update you coming future when we will have a trade or something new in it, or any particular conditions. Thank you so much for your time with me today. Goodbye. Take care.